Garlic, butter, shrimp, fried rice. Yeah, that's basically happiness on a plate. So let's start with the basics. Alright, garlic first, just smash it. Good way to let off steam, right? Then chop it small, nothing fancy. Next, scallions. Grab a couple, chop them up, keep the whites and greens apart. Whites go in first later. Don't ask me why, that's just how it is. Now the shrimp. I'm using medium small ones here, but honestly, if you've got bigger shrimp, go for it. Any size works. Slice the back open, pull out that black vein, or at least that's the idea. Oops, looks like mine's already clean. Rinse, pat dry, then toss them in a bowl. Alright, little pinch of salt and a sprinkle of black pepper. Now, give it a good mix. Yeah, mix it up, mix it up. Take your time here. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Easy marinade. Now, while those shrimp are taking a nap, let's crack an egg. Beat it up real quick. Nothing fancy. Just give it a good stir. That's it. And today, we are using rice from yesterday. Perfect for fried rice. Alright, time to cook. Half a tablespoon of butter in the pan. Medium heat. We are using a bigger pan today because size matters, at least when it comes to fluffy rice. Toss in the shrimp, cook till they turn pink, about 70 to 80% done. Get them out, let them chill on a plate. Alright, same pan here. Let's drop in a little more butter. Egg goes in, and yeah, just let it set halfway, then push it over to the side. Don't worry if it looks messy, that's fine. Now add the rest of the butter, let it melt down. Okay, garlic in, scallion whites too. Just sauté till it smells nice and fragrant. Next, the rice. Medium heat. Take your time, just break it apart slowly. Loosen it up, make sure it's fluffy, not clumpy. Once the rice is moving free, mix everything together, give the pan a little shake. Now, bring the shrimp back in, season with a pinch of salt, a splash of soy sauce, and some black pepper. Give it a quick stir, let everything come together. Now, take a little taste, maybe a bit more salt, soy sauce, or black pepper. Adjust it how you like. Once it's right, we finish it off. Last touch, scallion greens go in. Heat off and just give it a few quick tosses. Let that fresh color mix through. Before we plate this up, squeeze in a little lemon juice. It really brightens the whole thing. And if you're into spice, go ahead and add some chili flakes. Feeling a bit extra? Sprinkle on some cheese. No rules here. Now, plate it up. Finish with more black pepper, one last squeeze of lemon, and boom! Garlic butter shrimp fried rice. We are done. And there you have it, all in under 15 minutes. If you liked this recipe, hit that like button and tell me in the comments, are you team chili flakes or team cheese? Don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes. And hey, while you are here, check out my other fried rice video on screen. Your fried rice journey is just getting started. See you next week. Bye!